Solga, Ivy Masters Learning Center, and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the fourth question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 4 reads, which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Always read the question first so you know what type of question to expect. We know it's a sentence completion also because it's in the beginning of the module. We go to the passage. The work of Kiowa painter T.C. Cannon derives its power in part from the tension among his blank influences. Now note, one of our rules is what comes after the punctuation of comma, colon, semicolon, or dash is going to tell you what goes in the blank. And after this colon, we want to pay attention. It's going to tell us what those influences are. So one is classic European portraiture with its realistic treatment of faces. The second is American pop art movement with its vivid colors. And lastly, flat style, the intertribal painting style that rejects the effect of depth typically achieved through shading and perspective. So we've got 3 different influences there. One's European, one's American, and one is tribal. And we've got portraiture, we've got pop art, and we've got flat style. So it sounds very different. So I would say tension among his 3 different influences. Also tension, that's going to be created not when everything's the same, when you have a bunch of different parts. So we go to the answer choices. Now obviously vocabulary plays in here. Complementary. Like notice the beginning of this word. C-O-M-P-L-E. That's the same root as the word complete. Things that are complementary, complete. So if you notice, complementary angles complete 90 degrees. Let's say Sally's tennis game complements Johnny's. That might mean that Sally's strengths makes up for Johnny's weaknesses and vice versa. They make a complete pair. They work really well together. So we don't see that type of relationship here. Unknown, well, yeah, we know them. We just listed 3 of them. Disparate generally means different. It looks like that's got to be our answer. And then interchangeable means you could change one out for the other. And interchangeable usually shows similarity. You might be able to interchange like nevertheless with yet in a sentence. They're similar, so you could put one in place of the other. That's not the relationship here. Classical European portraiture is never going to pass as American pop art or flat style. Disparate is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completions questions, especially this vocabulary. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. They're below these videos on Ivy Masters Learning Center on YouTube. Test 2, Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Have a great day.